Have you ever felt that you were different from everybody else in the crowd? It could be different from your family and from your friends, or at least everybody around you. You feel like there's something special that you were supposed to do in your life. Sometimes you go to bed thinking, am I making a big enough impact? Or at least the fear of, can I actually get to where I want to get to with my dream and my vision, my mission in life? And really understanding do I have anybody around me who actually believes in any of this mindset or manifestation or spirituality or anything like that? I want to let you know here and now that you're not alone. There are other people like myself that also believe. People like myself who believe in manifestation, spirituality, energy work, believe in dreams, believe that we can make a difference in this world, a greater positive impact than ever before. And I want to encourage you not to let all the people you're surrounded by to influence your thinking. Keep going for your dream. It's only a matter of time. I remember for my life, there's a time where I was living a job I hated, living in an area I didn't like, didn't have great relationships. And as I started to really believe in manifestation and personal development and really study and apply the material, get some coaches, mentors, and all that good stuff going, my life started to shift to where it is today, and really happy, great, outstanding relationships, and really getting great results. So I want to let you know and encourage you and suggest to you, keep going towards your dream. Keep taking this personal development knowledge. It does work. It will work for you. Look for ways to apply it. And you want to think to yourself, what are some of the things that I could be doing today to help prepare myself to be ready for my dream? What things today could I do to help prepare myself to actually attract and manifest greater results into my life? And that simple change in thinking and that small encouragement will keep your hope alive. It'll keep things moving in that greater direction.